Thanks for stopping by to see what I'm up to today. One of the functions that this green ham machine, this trailer, is going to perform is being a mobile remote ham shack. There are things to take into consideration with remote radio. Regulation, common practice, and convenience will drive you to find a way to control that station remotely. I've been putting this video off for a while. Let's get her done. It's time. I know I ain't gonna bother cleaning up these wires and dressing them nice anytime soon. So we might as well. I got my temperature probe here hanging. We'll get that up out of the way. So this is station controller. I got 3 items. I got a relay that can handle a little bit more power current. It's a DC relay. I have the Raspberry Pi board. And I have the relay board. I bought the relays from Amazon. I think George gave me one as 2 when I saw him at Hamvention. Nice guy. And when I have the VHF antenna controller, I think I was the first or the second, according to George, to buy that. The Raspberry Pi board is connected to the internet here, and the GPIO relay board and the VHF UHF antenna controller are connected here through George's DCN network. So I got it finally rigged up. There's a couple of extra relays over here, but the first 3 work, and this one worked. So I'm going to use the telephone Node Red app. The first 4 here are the internal relays. So I have the Flex remote on, see it light up over there, Flex PTT, and LNA for VHF, and LNA for UHF. Now we're going to go over here to this set of relays. Over here, watch the lights. So my Paradigm antenna disconnect should be the first one to light up. Now, right over here, watch 12 volt power supply. Here's the light there. Tuner Genius. Over there, you might have heard it click. And the one I haven't had the courage to wire up yet is the PGXL. The relay is wired, but the amp isn't wired to the relay yet. It's still on the digital loggers web switch. If I press this one, you might hear the Flex click and turn off. But you can watch the lights go off now. So those first 2 on the internal relays went off. The LNAs are going to go off. Then the Paragon antenna disconnect goes off. 6600 power supply goes off. The Tuner Genius goes off, and the one that isn't really wired to anything, the PGXL, goes off. So there it is, guys. Oh, yes, and can you see this one here? So you might have saw the light change up there in the corner. So the voltmeters are checking my power supplies, total, the Flex power supply, and the BTEC that I have powering some auxiliary things. Temperature in here is screaming. That's all I got for today. There's that Paradigm antenna disconnector. Got pretty hot in there. That's all I'm going to bother y'all with today. Thanks for stopping by.